How to download and install Figma on Windows laptop or PC. So if you want to download and install Figma on your Windows laptop or PC, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search for Figma download. After that, you will get this kind of interface. Now you need to just simply go with the download section. And here you will have download app. You can just simply go with open in Figma and continue with your Google, or you can also just go and log into your account. Scroll down and then go with allow or continue. And once done, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now I can go with these three dots, which will be in the top right. And then you need to go with more tools or go with cast, save, and share. And here you need to go with install page as an app. Go with install, and that's it. It has been installed. Now you can go back and you'll have your Figma application right here. Or you can also go with the official website, which is www.figma.com. Just click on this and then scroll down a bit and you will have the desktop app right here. Go with desktop app for Windows. After that, it will start the downloading process. On the top, you will have the download section. You need to just click on the file and then go with download unverified file. After that, wait for a few seconds. The file will be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, you need to double click on that file. After that, you will get this kind of interface and your application will be installed. You can go and log in with your Figma and use it. That's how you can download and install Figma on your Windows laptop or PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.